कोई?
चलो यार,
कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
हम मालदेवता जा रहे हैं। मालदेवता जा रहे हैं।
कहाँ है ये मालदेवता?
पता नहीं, बहुत दूर है।
तो आ गए तुम मेरे ट्रैवल का तमाशा देखने। तो क्या है ये माल देवता? मतलब हर किसी के मुंह से मैं यहाँ पे यही सुन रहा हूँ, माल देवता माल देवता माल देवता। तो क्या है ये माल देवता? नाम से तो कुछ अलग लग रहा है, मतलब माल और देवता। ये सर्च करते हैं गूगल में, MAL माल देवता। तो अकॉर्डिंग टू गूगल ये तो कोई टूरिस्ट प्लेस लग रहा है और मेरे यहाँ से लगभग 25 किलोमीटर है। सॉरी, जो बताऊँ भूल गया, मैं बोल दिया बन टिक्की। तो ये यहाँ की फेमस डिश है, बट इस पे ब्लॉग कभी और बनाएंगे। फिलहाल माल देवता पे फोकस करते हैं। तो या तो ये जगह कुछ ऐसी होगी या तो ये जगह कुछ ऐसी भी हो सकती है। चलो ये तो अब जाके ही समझेगा, तो लेट्स गो। कहाँ है ये माल देवता?
पता नहीं, बहुत दूर है।
रास्ता तुमको पता है ना?
आपको पता है यार, गूगल मैप से।
We have started here from Dehradun. It's 21 kilometers as I said, and first we'll be filling up the fuel, and there is no horn in this scooter. So fingers crossed again. Oh my god.
Don't see what we see, you're your own enemy. So you gotta wake up now. You'll be
So there is no side mirror in this scooter, and no horn as well, and you can't wear the helmet as well properly. So सब कुछ राम भरोसे है। The most famous location in Dehradun. Like if you ask anyone in Dehradun, they will be knowing Ghuntaghar for sure.
the one you want, the rest of it I will become. Gotta bring your higher price, no this one. But we are the enough, and we don't give up. Yeah. Tell her not to wake up now. They be sleeping on this way too long.
We have reached to माल देवता now. और भाई अनुज क्या क्या हुआ ड्रामा ज़रा बता दे थोड़ा कैमरे में। So we were actually caught by a police guy. Our brother didn't had papers for the scooter, so we had to spend some money. Now we have finally reached with this awesome view. So beautiful. Bro, don't suicide. So just flew the drone and it was an amazing footage, like all the fields and the houses, they're looking so amazing, and the river and this road in between, and the vehicle was going on that road and it was looking superb and awesome. Also checking what this place actually has to offer, why this place is so popular here in Dehradun. So we found our new friends here, the monkeys. When I was flying the drone it was very sunny, and now look how nice the climate has become. So it's being alternatively become sunny and cloudy. So I've reached to this bridge now. So this is how the bridge looks like. So it has all the Tibetan flags being tied here. I don't know who has tied it. So we are finally into this bridge, and there is this river which is flowing down the bridge, and if you can see, the river has been split into two. One is going on the left and the other one is going this under the bridge. So this looks like a busy bridge because there are many vehicles which are stopping by on this bridge. तो ये आगे का रास्ता कहाँ जाता है?
आगे का रास्ता जाता है माल देवता।
ये क्या है?
माल देवता टेम्पल। ये माल देवता ब्रिज है।
नाम क्या है? माल देवता।
ये माल देवता ब्रिज है। अरे वहाँ पे शिव जी का एक मंदिर है।
अच्छा, शिव जी का मंदिर है। मतलब माल और देवता, इसमें क्या कनेक्शन है?
पता नहीं, वहाँ पे गांजा वगैरह मिलता होगा इसलिए माल देवता
हो सकता है. So it's a very interesting story. Even I don't know why the name is Mal Devta. Mal Devta means god of
चरस गांजा.
charas ganja. So god of weed basically. That's what the we can translate the name into. But I'm not sure what actually the name means. तो हम लोग को ढूंढना है क्या आज? ये नाम का मतलब क्या है?
हाँ ढूंढेंगे.
किससे ढूंढेंगे?
वहाँ पे वो लगा है.
पुजारी से पूछेंगे?
पुजारी से नहीं पूछेंगे यार.
तो
अरे वहाँ पे स्टोन लगा है.
स्टोन लगा है? तुमको तो सब पता है, तुम तो बोले हाँ आए नहीं हो कभी. So yeah, excited for this. Let's see what interesting we can find here. So a bit of off-roading now. We are heading to a waterfall. So there are two waterfalls. One is a restricted waterfall as it's called, and there is another one which is a small waterfall where usually the families and all they go for picnic. So as I was guessing, this is that small waterfall. But I actually wanted to go to another waterfall which is actually very remote area. You have to trek and go to that place. So here is that waterfall. So it's so peaceful here. People are just sitting and chilling. And as you can see. And now just sitting here and chilling. After this we'll be heading to another village called Dwara. Hopefully we'll get some good views over there as well. So having this nice Maggie along with a nice view. Are you enjoying the Maggie?
Yes.
How is it?
गुड
कच्चा है ना?
सेक्सी है
कच्चा है लेकिन अच्छा है.
अच्छा लेकिन सही है
ये भैया यहाँ पे मैगी लपेटते हुए. Cheers. Really very hungry. Haven't eaten anything after the breakfast, so this feels really nice. So going now to the next place. So it's a village called Dwara. चले अनुज.
चलो भैया
So let's go to the next place. Honor Khatara. Wow, looks so amazing. Wow, what a place. I think now I'll go completely inside the clouds. There's cloud everywhere. Entering the clouds now. So we just stopped at this place now and look at the view. It's so amazing. And there's the road from where we came. You can see small cars over there. So amazing. Are we going more ahead? अनुज और आगे जा रहे हो?
यस
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
आगे गांव तक जाएंगे
कौन सा गाँव है? तुम्हारा गाँव है? कौन सा गाँव है?
पता नहीं
So it's a mystery. Even we don't know which village is it. I can breathe all of the oxygen here. There's no coronavirus here. So that is the bridge where we were there earlier. So we came a long way till here. So we found that amazing place with a small bridge over there, and I see a cow standing over there. I was just curious to see what this place is. So that's why we are coming. It's like a small old bridge, I guess. I think it's standing and checking out what's going on here. So that cow still doesn't understand what's going on here. Still waiting and checking on it. Looks angry. So we came to this place where this looks like an aqueduct where usually water is being transported from one village to other. on the other side. I think this is usually there when water is not available in a specific village. So they construct this aqueduct where water can be transported from one village to the other. Now we don't have anything left to explore, I think. है ना, सब देख लिया, कुछ बचा है?
अब घर जो बचा है,
घर बचा है. So guys, if you like this video, press the like button, and you know it, you don't have to press the dislike button. Do subscribe to the channel. See you soon in another video with some more crazy adventures. Till then, bye. Bye तो बोलो बे.
बाय यार, बाय.